folks, it's me again. What am I doing? I'm doing a weekly What's New standing up this time because I'm freezing. It's cold in here. What's new? Got a bunch of Honda parts in. I'm waiting for one piece. Then I'm going to start tinkering with the trunk and try to get it all working. Got a whole bunch of parts in. Got a few more tools to review and just having fun. That's it. Nothing. It's the new year. So far we've survived, 11, 12, 13. By the time this goes up, it'll probably be a month later, so we'll have survived. I'm waiting a seat cover for this bike. Today or tomorrow I'm going to see if it has spark. If I get some spark, it'll be good. I got the carburetor cleaner so I can see if I can get it running. I probably should put it on jack stand so I don't run it into a wall. It is not freezing cold in here to the point where my water bottle's gotten frozen yet, and I'm just working on it. I got a new battery for the other bike. I'm gonna bring my regular 3-wheeler in. I'm gonna change the battery, charge the other one up, and I'm installing the battery tender at the same time, so I can just plug it in and have it permanently on the bike, which is awesome because I'm happy I have a battery tender now for the bike. What else? I got to change the oil on it. I got to change the oil filter, and I really have to check the transmission fluid on it. So I'm gonna run it around for a little while, bring it in here and do a tune-up on it, pull this one outside. My shed's still a mess. The temporary roof I put on it blew off, so I gotta go fix it. My trailer was almost destroyed before Christmas. We fixed that. Our trailer's good. What else? My TV died. That was fun on New Year's Day, which was kind of funny. So, shit happens. But all is well, I hope everybody's having a good start to 2025. I think it's going to be a fun, crazy year. But hey, the prices of ATVs are going up. I have a few projects I'm working on. And if I can get this thing out of the way, I'll get it away. And things are going to powder coat this week. So, yay! By the time I put this up, I'll have stuff coming back and I'm making videos of powder coating. So stay tuned, keep busy, and if you're on here, don't forget to like, subscribe, do all that kind of stuff. Thanks for watching. Toodles.